Alright, you're given the A because you're given the vertices. Okay, so to come up with A squared, we're going to square the A value. So what's 14 squared? Yeah, what? I think it's bigger. Yeah, 196. Okay, so that's A squared. Okay, well you're given what C is because you're given this. So C is equal to 6 square root of 5. So let's come up with what C squared is. Now, be careful with this. I don't know how your calculators will treat this, but square the 6 since it's outside the radical, so you get 36. Okay? Anytime you square a radical, you get the number that's inside of it out. So it's going to be 36 times 5. So what's 36 times 5? Okay, it's 180. Okay, now we have C squared and we have A squared. But we need B squared to come up with the equation. So we're going to go back to that one formula we had where we had C squared is equal to A squared minus B squared. Okay, we want B squared, so I'm going to rearrange this equation so that I get B squared is equal to A squared minus C squared. Same equation, I just rearranged it. Okay, so now we can just plug in the numbers to come up with what B squared is. I would write this down somewhere so you don't have to rearrange it each time. But, okay, so B squared is equal to A squared, which is 196 minus 180. So what's 196 minus 180? Yeah, 16. So now we have B squared, we have A squared, so we can write the equation. So we have X squared plus Y squared is equal to 1. And then we're going to have to put in our A squared and our B squared. Now our vertices, okay, our A came from what, the X or the Y location? X. So the 196 goes underneath the X squared. So that part is basically what we did before. We just had to go through some steps to find the B squared. Okay, and then we place 16 underneath the Y squared. Okay, and so that's how we find the standard form of the equation given this particular type of information.